Hello children, today we are going to see class 3rd science lesson number 9 measurement. Okay, last class we discussed about the how to measure the length. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about the measurement of a weight. We have to see the measurement of a weight. You must have seen your mother buying rice, dal and vegetables for your home. Okay, you must have seen your mother buying a rice, dal and vegetable for your home. You can see your parents will go to the market and they will get the vegetables, fruits, yes or no, as well as a rice, dal to cook for you people to nice food, yes or no. They will go to the shop and they will get the things. The shopkeeper or the vendor uses a common balance. Some shopkeepers will be using the common balance, okay, to weigh the things. First, before everyone was using this type of a balance. It is known as a weighing machine, okay. Nowadays weighing is done by the electronic balance. This is the first it was used by the common balance and now they are using the electronic balance. Okay, in this how we have to put here weight 500 gram means what, this is a half kg. 500 gram means half kg. Then here they was putting the vegetables. Okay, they was viewing like this way. Nowadays the word is developed, that's why the people are going through the electronic balance. It will show exact weight. In this we can give them extra, otherwise less, but in a electronic balance it will exact, it will be there. The standard unit for the measuring weight are grams and kilograms. The standard unit of the measuring weight are the grams, 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 g, and kilograms, kg. Things that we buy in a large amount are usually measured in a kilogram. Whatever things we are getting in a large amount, that is known as a measured in a kilogram. Smaller amounts are measured in a grams. Okay, smaller amounts are measured in a grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. In 1 kg 1000 gram, half kg 500 gram. Okay, you have to know this calculation. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Now here activity is there, children, that you have to do in the house. Look for things that we buy in a large amount are usually measured in a kilograms, kg. Smaller amount are measured in a grams, g. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. This I taught just now. So it is depend on this activity is depend on this measurement. Okay, let us see the activity what it is. Look for this object at home and check the weight written on them. You have to see the object in your home and you can see the weight written on that. A packet of dal. You have to see a packet of a dal. A bottle of sauce. Now sauce bottles are there means you can see. Ketchups are there means you can see there how much it will be the cost, that we have to see that. Next, a packet of butter. Butter packet, you have to see, children, how much it will be there, that you have to see. A packet of jeera. Jeera packet, you have to see that. If you had to find out your weight, if you have to find the weight, means what you have to do? Would it be in a grams or a kilograms? It will be a grams or a kilogram. Your weight will see in a what, children, kg or grams. You have to see that. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. Measurement of a capacity. Okay, Now in next class we'll discuss about this. Now today we learned about the weight. Children, you have to see this activity. Okay.